I've really been interested in robotics, I guess, for my entire life. I'm mostly researching planning and control for legged robots, like the one you see behind me. Cassie is a robot that's designed from the ground up to be very good at walking. And in addition to just getting it to walk, how do we write software that gets it to navigate through a corridor, walk through a busy crowd of people? My long-term goal is to be able to create robots that can help your parents when they get old, get groceries, richly interact with a human world.
To recruit students, you need to convince them that they have a bright future, that they will make a difference, and that the choices that they make are also economically sustainable. ARCS gives them recognition. It gives them emotional support as allowing them to be part of another community, and then it gives them very specific financial support at a time when they are very financially strained.
Research is incredibly challenging. Most days, whatever you're working on doesn't go the way you think it will. I'm an evolutionary biologist and I study reproductive interactions. So understanding how the fertilization process works, the mechanisms that are involved, can give us some understanding into these processes that we know very little about. Infertility is a globally important health issue. Something around 7.4 million women in the United States seek treatment for infertility. Having a Scholar Award, I feel like I'm making some progress and I'm contributing not only to my own knowledge but to the greater field.
Science and technology are not only going to solve many of the problems of our nation and our state, but also be the economic drivers. The ARCS Scholar Awards permit us to attract terrific graduate students, and they'll give those graduate students the support they need to flourish at the university.
The ARCS Foundation is a woman-run organization that put together a Scholar Award program that has an extraordinary capacity to grow and reach further into higher education than any other program that I know of, and generate an unbelievable return on investment.
As a woman in science, it is really fantastic. Knowing that these women are behind ARCS gives me a sense of pride and gives me a sense of belonging. Our lab is interested in vocal learning, so our goal is to try to understand the neural mechanisms that allow that complex behavior to evolve in a brain, and we use songbirds as a model for that. And this has implications for speech pathology. It has implications for things like Alzheimer's or other brain diseases that affect your ability to speak and your ability to use language. Science communication is really important to me. The sort of standard PhD program is really missing that piece that teaches you how to communicate your science. So we need programs like ARCS to force us to practice that and to get us comfortable speaking to the public and taking our work and making the impacts known in a way that's not just jargon. My name is Sammy Friedrich and I'm an ARCS Scholar.
My name is Katya and I'm an ARCS Scholar recipient.
I'm Patrick Clary and also an ARCS Scholar.